We are learning about the current sensor module. So as we can see that we have a current sensor module here on our screen, and what exactly is current sensor? The current sensor is a device that is used to measure how much electricity is flowing through the wire. So think of it like electricity is water flowing through a pipe. Okay, so water is electricity and pipe is water. Pipe is wire, and water flow is electric current. So current sensor is like water flow meter, like it can tell you how much electricity is flowing in the wire. So what does it do actually? So it measures current, which is measured in amperes. Example like LED uses 0.02 amp, and a fan uses zero point 0.5 amperes, and a motor uses 2 amperes, etc. etc. The sensor will tell Arduino or ESP or Raspberry Pi exactly how much current has been used by the actuators. So why do we need this current sensor? Right, that is the question we have now. So the current sensor can measure electricity usage and detect if a motor is taking too much current or too less current, or monitor battery charging or discharging, and display power usage on the screen like in our phone, laptops, and tablets, etc. And it will protect the circuit from getting overloaded. So how exactly this works? So these pins are connected to the battery, and these pins two here, these two pins are connected to the motors, and these pins are connected to the battery. So electricity passes through the sensor. The sensor measures it and sends a signal to the Arduino or ESP or any microcontroller which we are using. So Arduino can then show like current is equal to 1.25 amp or 2 amp, anything like whichever it is using. So there are where exactly are we using this? This we are using in battery monitoring and electricity meter, or electric vehicles and robots and smart home or energy monitoring and industrial machines, etc. So I think this might be too much for us to remember, right? So easy way to remember is voltage is water pressure, and current is water flow, and wire is pipe. So current sensor is a water flow meter, like it measures how much current is flowing in the circuit. In one sentence we can say that a current sensor can measure how much electricity is flowing through a wire and sends that information to the microcontroller like an Arduino or ESP or Raspberry, etc. So this was all about current sensor module. So now we can see that we have another chip here, which is the brain chip. This IC chip here will is the main thing of this current sensor. It is like a brain for this sensor, and there are resistors and capacitors in this current sensor module. So this is how the current sensor will work. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.